guys, how are you? Good morning, Andy, Super Founder, CEO, Y2K Credit Solutions. All right, so today I have an interesting topic, and today's topic is not really about credit. It's about getting a mortgage and where your funds are sourced, right? So it's actually about one specific topic, and this topic is called a SUSU, also known as SUSU. So what's a SUSU? A SUSU is an informal way of saving in an organization with a group of people, right? Basically, a SUSU is mostly known in a Caribbean culture, Hispanic culture, Haitian culture, where, the older folks don't really believe so much in the bank system, the saving system, putting money in the bank. They rather keep the money home and, where they have access to it. And that's fine, right? That's okay. So how does a SUSU work? So it's an organization of a group of people. Let's say there's 12 people in the SUSU. Every month, one person puts in $100 in the pot. We're going to call it a pot because that's what they call it. It's like an account. They put $100 in, and every month, one person gets paid out. So let's say there's 12 people. There's $100 put in. $1,200 is in the pot. Every month, one person gets that. The next person gets the next month, the third month, fourth month. It's a cycle. It goes around, right? Now, a lot of people that are involved in SUSU and doing that kind of saving, that informal savings plan, they want to purchase a home and they can't source the funds, right? So we all know that when you're buying a home, whether you're putting 3%, 5%, 10%, 20%, whatever you're putting down, it has to be sitting in an account for 90 days, seasoned, right? And it has to be sourced. That's to show where the funds is coming. Now, with a SUSU, it's not a bank account. It's a savings account with a group of people, right? So how do you prove that money? Because a lot of people that's doing SUSU don't know that you can use that money from a SUSU as a down payment for your home. And a lot of Caribbean people are doing it, right? And that's fine. It's totally okay to save like that. So in every SUSU organization, there's a trustee. There's a person that handles all the money. There's a ledger that's created. They take notes of every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out, who gets paid, when they get paid, and so forth. So there's a ledger, a running ledger at all times, right? So now, a lot of people don't know that you can use that funds to purchase a home. But a lot of banks don't know how to do it either, because that comes with experience. Having an in-house finance company that funds our clients' mortgage, these are things that we look for, ways to get our clients into their homes, right? A lot of banks either is not experienced, or they don't know how to do it, or they just don't want to deal with the stress of it, because it is a little lengthy process. It requires a little more documentation, so it's a little more work than your normal mortgage process, okay? So this is how it works. If you're involved in a SUSU and you're looking to purchase your first home and the money, you have it in the home, definitely you want to make sure the trustee has a ledger. The bank, like if we do your mortgage and you're using SUSU funds, we're going to require a 12-month ledger from the trustee. 12 months showing the funds that came in, the funds that came out, when you got paid, how much you got paid. It has to be consistent as well, okay? 12-month ledger showing the money coming in. Of course, there'll be a little more documents required. I'm not making it sound like it's going to be an easy peasy process. It's not. Let's say, for example, on a regular mortgage process, it's a 5-step process. If we're using SUSU funds, it's probably like an 8-9 step process. However, at the end of the day, you're able to use your SUSU savings as your down payment for your purchase of your first home. And again, this comes with experience, dealing with different clienteles, and what our banks offer, and what we can do for the clients, right? So if you are involved in a SUSU, you're looking to purchase your home, definitely reach out to us. Book a consultation. Also, let's not take this away. Credit does play the same role in the process of getting a home using SUSU funds as it plays as getting a regular mortgage. So credit has to be in 720, 730, 740 range to get a good rate, okay? So if you're in a SUSU organization and you have some funds, you're looking to purchase a home, definitely give our office a call, schedule a consultation, and we can assist you with that. Again, you know, not all banks want to do it. Fortunately, we have our in-house lender that can do that for you and assist you with it, and get you in your home. So if you have any questions about this video, leave a comment below. I'm always accustomed to saying click the link, right? If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll definitely try to answer it for you. And if you want to schedule a consultation, just speak to our loan officer, the in-house loan officer, explain to you how the SUSU process is going to work. Feel free to do so. It's a free consultation. 516-568-4541. Talk to you soon. Have a good day.